Okay. Once invoice is once advance payment is completed, then again we'll receive the goods and services. At the time we can post FB60 or F-43. This is the invoices without PO. Then this one you have a awareness, in previous section we can post it the document. Then coming to vendor payment F.53, right? This is also payment vendor account debit to and cash or bank account credit to. Then so up to advance payment and invoice and payment, everything it will be completed. Payment point of view, vendor account debit to and cash account credit to, cash or bank. Here posting key, debit posting key is 25, credit posting is 50. And here also invoice posting point of view, debit posting key 40, credit posting key 31. And advance payment. So whatever payment point of view, credit posting key, it will be same, like advance payment or normal payment, whatever. Credit posting key is same. And either it is advance or normal, how we can identify means based on the posting key. 29A comes, it is the advance payment. And 25 comes, it is the normal payment. So these three transactions completed, then transfer special GL to normal GL account. If we cannot run this transfer the amount from advance payment to invoice, if we cannot adjust it, the payment it will shows advance payment and invoice amount it will shows as a open item. For example, we can receive 1 lakh invoice from the vendor. We can make advance by 50,000. But as per our normal intention is 50,000 paid, so remaining is 50,000 only balance. But system it could not be shown as per our intention. System it will show invoice balance is 1 lakh, advance is 50,000. It is showing separately. Again, we are making 1 lakh for the particular invoice. It will accept it. So that we have to do some other process. That is that advance amount, whatever we paid earlier 50,000, that 50,000 we have to adjust that particular invoice. Then only out of 1 lakh, 50,000 it will be clear and rest of 50,000 it will be showing as a balance. So that is also with the help of F-54, we can run special GL to normal GL account. So vendor account debit to vendor special GL account to credit to. So this is the transactions, and once transaction is completed, FBL1 vendor balance checking report FS10 in advance. So this is the process. I think tomorrow I'm going to explain. So anyone, whatever. So one more time I'll explain with 2 or 3 minutes. So based on that, you just explain whatever I'm explaining in advanced process as per your knowledge, as per your understand. Everyone at least explain 1 or 2 minutes in this section. So tomorrow, vendor payment onwards, or like payment entry and this advanced process entry, entire end to end, I'll explain in my system. So you will get clear cut knowledge. But based on this, you can explain with you can explain and seeing this screen only. You can try to explain. But before that, I'll explain 2 minutes. So whenever you are facing the interview of these question at the time of interview, simply they are asking explain about special GL indicators. That time how we are going to explain it. So special GL indicators we are using for advance pay making purpose. Either it is vendor or a customer also. So vendor advance payment comes under the current asset. Customer advance received comes under the current liabilities. So before going to post any kind of advance transactions in system, we need to do some basic configuration. So first one is vendor advance payment GL account created. That vendor advance payment GL account we have to assign under the special GL configurations under the go to OBYR. Hello. Go to OBYR. There we have to fix special GL account. Later, vendor advance request 47, vendor advance payment 48, vendor invoice FB60, vendor payment F-53, vendor advance to special GL, vendor advance special GL to normal GL adjustment F-44. So these and all the T codes we are using for this entire process. That is, you can explain just 1 or 2, minimum 2 minutes, then he will be happy regarding the special GL concept. Clear, everyone? So we practiced the entire two sheets and we practiced up to end in the system also. These and all only for at least 1 minute or 2 minutes. You have to explain at the time of interview. That is your main intention. The 2 minutes purpose, how much effect you have to, how much effect you will spend in previous section. Based on that, you will express at the time of interview, right? Clear, everyone? Hello, అపర్ణ మ్యామ్ వినిపిస్తుందా?
ఎస్ అండి.
చెప్పండి మేడం. సార్ చెప్పండి. ఈ థియరీ అంతా నాకు అవసరం లేదు. దీన్ని
ఓకే.
పెట్టుకొని ఎట్లా చెప్తారు? స్పెషల్ జిఎల్ ఇండికేటర్స్ అంటే ఏంది? దాని ప్రాసెస్ ఎలా చేస్తారు? ఈ థియరీ అవసరం లేదు. జస్ట్ 2 minutes లో మీకు ఎంత అర్థమైందో నేను చెప్పిన దాంట్లో చెప్పండి.
ఓకే. యాక్చువల్లీ వెండర్ డౌన్ పేమెంట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ లైక్ మనం ఇనిషియల్ పేమెంట్ చేస్తాం కదా వెండర్ కి సప్లయర్ కి బేస్డ్ ఆన్ అవర్ గూడ్స్ ఆర్ సర్వీసెస్ లైక్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద పోర్షన్ లైక్ మనం పేమెంట్ చేసేది లైక్
ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే చెప్పండి మేడం, మిగతా వాళ్ళకి అర్థం కదా.
యా like will do the payment whether it may be like partial payment or a full payment or else like based on the terms like whether it will be 30 days or 60 days or 45 days this is the payment terms like like
Not explaining payment
here there are
terms, ma'am. Only advance point
huh?
of view also you have to explain. Only advance payment term we didn't enter till now. Only advance
Okay.
payment of.
Okay. So we are paying advancedly for our required goods or services whether that will be like in the portion of 20 to 50%. Example, like this may be refundable in some cases, and this may be non-refundable in some cases. And prepayment terms, like the vendor may require a certain percentage, like um, to be paid. Okay, like few vendors will expect like 50% you need to pay in, and few vendors will expect 20% you pay in advance, and later you can go for 80%. Like they expect. And coming to the accounting treatment for the buyer advancement. Okay, for the buyer, the advance payment is recorded as a prepaid expenses, and for the vendor, it is recorded as a liability. So until the goods delivered and services are delivered. Okay. సో ఇది ఎప్పటి వరకు లెక్క అంటే లైక్ మనం 2-way మ్యాచ్ అండ్ 3-way మ్యాచ్ చేస్తాము ఆఫ్టర్ ద గూడ్స్ ఆర్ సర్వీసెస్ ఆర్ డెలివర్డ్ లైక్ వాట్ ఎవర్ వి ఆర్డర్ మనకి ఏదైతే ఆర్డర్ చేసామో అదే మనకి వచ్చిందా మన గోడాన్ లోకి అని చెప్పి మనం విల్ మ్యాచ్ విత్ అవర్ రికార్డ్స్ దట్స్ ఎ 2-way మ్యాచ్ అండ్ అగైన్ విల్ డూ 3-way మ్యాచ్ అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ 4-way match. Will detail about 3-way, 2-way, 4-way that is required for an end user. And coming to step one, so here we'll do with the GL account FS00 locally current assets vendor reconciliation account G0060. Okay. సో మనం ఇక్కడ కరెంట్ అసెట్స్ ఒకటి క్రియేట్ చేసుకొని వెండర్ రీకన్సిలేషన్ అకౌంట్ లైక్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ అవర్ ఓబిఏ4 ఓబిఏ4 మనం ఒక రీకన్సిలేషన్ అకౌంట్ పికప్ చేసుకొని దానికి ఓపెన్ ఐటమ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అండ్ లైన్ ఐటమ్ డిస్ప్లే ఇచ్చేస్తాం. అండ్ స్టెప్ 2, assign special GL account to the advance paid to a vendor. Okay. In the chart of accounts, the account key was K and the special GL was A. And the down payment calendar, double click on assign to vendor the special GL account. Okay. Here we are going to assign also. We are assigning the special GL account. Like we'll select the account tab as a key, K, and K is nothing but vendor, and GL, special GL as A. And down payment current assets. Double click it and we'll assign that. And later on to the step 3, vendor down payment. F-48 లో KA. KA document is nothing but vendor document. So special GL account credit retar వచ్చి 1000, posting కి ఏమో 29A to the bank account. సో ఇక్కడ పోస్టింగ్ కీస్ అక్కడేమో లైక్ ఎస్ఏలోనేమో 40 and 50. ఇక్కడ పోస్టింగ్ కీస్ 29A and 50. In like F-46 for హలో మోహన్ గారు ఉన్నారా?
ఉన్నాను మేడం, మీ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతున్నట్టు లైట్ గా.
ఓకే, స్టెప్ 4 లో లైక్ FB60 లో F-43 కూడా పెట్టారు కదా కేఆర్ డాక్యుమెంట్ కి.
ఎస్ మేడం, అది సింగిల్ స్క్రీన్ వెండర్ ఇన్వాయిస్ పోస్టింగ్ సింగిల్ స్క్రీన్.
ఓకే, సింగిల్
ఇది
స్క్రీన్ అండ్
డబల్
డబుల్
స్క్రీన్.
స్క్రీన్.
ఎస్ మేడం.
Okay. So for single screen, we can go ahead FB60 F-43. Here, like posting keys for 40 and the posting key to vendor is 31. So like 40 and 31, we can do it as like instead of essay document 40-50, no, here it is a 40 and 31. And coming to step 5, it is F-53 KZ document. KZ payment.
Yes,
Yeah.
all the payments, even advance or normal payment, everything comes under the KZ.
Yeah, here the posting keys was 25 and 50. If you observe, the posting keys are changing. Like KR document lo 40-31 and KZ document lo 25-50. Transfer special SPGL to normal. F-44. Here vendor account data to vendor special GL account data. Next page. Okay. Reporting point. Like whatever we till now, whatever we did in the vendor thing, we can see it in FBL1N. Like you can see all and then execute there. So till now what we did, all will be displayed here. Advanced we can see like FNN. That's it, Mohan.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Good explanation.
Okay.
So why I'm asking you, because whenever you try to explain here, so here you can explain 10 lines. At the time of interview, you can explain at least one line. How I'm explaining, enter this process only 3 lines. Simply, vendor advance payment. Before some vendors asking before delivering the material, they are asking the advance payment. So these advance payment, how we are going to post in SAP means we need to do some basic configurations. So first advance payment GL account creation, that GL account we have to assign OBYR. Then advance payment request F-47, advance payment F-48. Then material received F-60 or F-60 or 43. Then vendor normal payment F-53. So this is the transaction. Later we will assign convert special GL to normal GL account with the help of F-54. This is the this process you can explain 2 minutes. Then interviewer he will be happy either he is having good idea regarding this entire special GL process. Even this special GL process also, if you can update in OBYR, then only it will be reflected and some basic setups completed in FBAZP. So then automatically F-110 also we can clear. This is also one of the interview question. Is it possible to clear advanced special GL payments in F-110? So yes, it is possible, but we have to do some basic configurations that like that we have to explain. These and all things అంటే మీకు చూడడానికి ఈజీగానే ఉంటాయి. ఇంటర్వ్యూలోకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు మీకు గుర్తురావు, చెప్పలేరు. సో మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ మీరు ఇట్లా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి సిస్టంలో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినప్పుడే మీకు గుర్తుంటాయి.
If you want me to connect laptop. Now I am available. Can I do it?
No, ma'am, it's completed today class, and maybe tomorrow
Mm.
onwards. If you want to share in your screen by tomorrow, you can done all the
Yeah,
till classes. Then you can share. Otherwise, I'll share my screen.
I'll share. I'll share. Mostly
And
like Sunday and Saturday. Yeah, Sunday and
Sunday.
Saturday ne కొంచెం like traveling అలా ఉంటుంది. So
Okay, ma'am.
mostly I'll share. No problem. Okay.
Anusha garu, can you explain it? ఫోన్ లోనే ఉన్నారని ఇంకేంటి సండే రోజు కూడా నాకేందని అంటారు ఇంక. Shital, did you get overview regarding this? Hello?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you get knowledge right regarding this?
Yes, sir, I have. I got it, sir.
Okay, just explain it overview.
For the down payment process and another one.
Down payment process only.
Can we take one example like then we can explain or only one line I can say that.
Whatever you have understand, you can explain without that sheet.
Okay, so firstly, I would like to say the down payment process is nothing, but when we purchase the goods, so we have to payment the advance, and after that, goods for the vendor purpose, we can pay the after that full amount after goods received. So that is called the down payment process, and we have to follow some steps. Uh, for the down payment process steps, like first one is when down payment request, so the T code we have used the FDAS 47, and yeah, thank you, so So, yeah, here is we need to create the vendor advance payment first. GL creation FS00 like current assets and vendor reconciliation accounts. Open item manage, line item display, we can do that. And after that, we have to assign the special GL account to be in the advance paid to a vendors. The T code we have used OBYR. So, firstly, we have to enter the charts of account and select the account type K indicator and special GAA, and for the down payment of the current assets. So again we have to double click on in the double screen, then assign to the vendor's reconciliation account for the special GL account. Then step three would be here the down for the down payment entry. The K for the document type, we can do it, and the ticket we have used at this 48. So here is accounting entries is here. Vendor's account debited to cash. Either bank account credited. So posting key is we can analyze this thing. The posting key is different. Should be here for the vendor down payment entry, like 29 for the debit and 50 for the credit. Then after we will go through the vendor invoice posting. The ticket we have used at this every 60. Either we can do it the FS 43. The document type we should be mentioned here KR, because we have to mention the KR for the document type of the vendor invoice posting. So here is accounting entries, raw materials account debited to the vendor account credited. But here are also posting key would be different. For the debit purpose, 40 we should be endorse it, and 31 for the credit purpose we can use it. And after that, we have to go through the vendor payment entry for the final payment for the payment. So we can use the T code we have used at this 53. The document type we should be mentioned here KZ. So here is accounting entries, vendor account debited to cash, otherwise outgoing bank account credited. The posting key we should be mentioned here 25 for the debit and 50 for the credit. After that, we can go through the transfer the special GL to normal GL. It is, we can say that for the final payment, the T code we have used after 54. So the accounting entries is here, vendor account debited to vendor's special GL account credited. That's it. Sir. Hello. Am I audible? I think you are on mute.
Okay, that's good. Here, these and all not required. So, for example, these and all material information not required. Just simply before delivering the material, vendor is asking some advance. So, this transaction, how we are going to post in SAP, we need to do some basic configuration. Just GL creation, assignment in OBYR, as well as F-48 for down payment payment. And one more thing, 47 for the request, down payment request. I'll share that number also. 48 for down payment, 47 for the down payment request, and 60 for the invoices, and 53 for the payment, and 54 converted special GL to normal GL account. So it means advance amount we have to convert for this invoice adjustment account. That is called as a normal account. So these T codes we have to explain 1 or 2 minutes. That is enough. So if we have a time, we will cover 3 minutes clearly. Then remaining time we will be covered. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir, clear. But I have a questions. One thing, can I ask?
Yes, yes.
So, in the interviews, during the interviews time, so we need to explain that also, like what is down payment entry and what is vendor invoice posting. We need to explain these things also before this
Yes,
entry.
yes. Special
Yeah.
GL account means if he is giving a time like 1 or 2 minutes, you have to cover entire.
Okay, sir. Okay, all right.
Special GL nothing but advance payment. So how we are going to advance payment means before delivering the material. Then later how we will fix that special, how we will convert the special GL to normal GL account, how we will adjust that advance to the particular invoice. Everything it is mandatory for this process. Whatever I mentioned, everything you have to explain. But these theoretical, you don't need to explain this way. Simply, you can explain 2 line only. Don't think much more. Don't by heart this and everything. This is not required. But your understanding purpose, I prepared this one. You have to explain just before delivering the material, we need to pay advance. So some vendor is asking. So that amount you can treat as an advance. So that advance payment before going to post in SAP, we need to do some basic configuration. Vendor advance payment comes under current liability. Like that, you have to explain. That is enough. But it will take 2 or 3 minutes. Clear cut with the T codes also you have to explain. Then only you will be accepted. Step by step. 48 request, 47 down payment request, 48 advance payment, 60 invoice, then 53 rest of the payment. So like that you have to explain. Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
శివకృష్ణ సార్ మీకు అర్థమైందా? మనీషా మేడం మీకు అర్థమైంది కదండి?
ఓకే సార్.
అనుష గారు మీకు
Sir, got it, sir, got it.
explain it simply with 2 line.
Vendor down payment means, for example, ఏదైనా బై చేసేటప్పుడు మనము
తెలుగులో చెప్పండి చెప్పకండి మేడం, ఇంగ్లీష్ లో చెప్పండి. ఇంటర్వ్యూ తెలుగులో ఉండదు.
సార్ బేబీ కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది
మేడం
పెడుతుంది
మీ
సార్.
కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఉంది, నా ఆల్రెడీ వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు మీరే అట్లా ఉంటే మాట్లాడండి. 2 minutes వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్ ఆర్ రైట్. ఇక్కడ ఎవరు మిమ్మల్ని తప్పుగా చెప్పారని చదువుకోమని తిట్టేవాళ్ళు ఉండరు.
అట్లా కాదు సార్, నాకు కొంచెం బేబీ ఏడుస్తా ఉంది. సో నేను సింపుల్ వర్డ్స్ లో చెప్పేస్తాను సార్. హలో.
ఓకే, మీకు అంటే ఐ మీన్ హోమ్ లో ఇష్యూ అని ఉంటే ఓకే, నో ఇష్యూ మేడం. చిన్న పాప ఉందన్నారు కదా.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, దెన్ లతా సెంథిల్ గారు మీకు అర్థమైందండి? ఓకే అండి. శివకృష్ణ సార్
సార్ చెప్పండి.
అర్థమైంది సార్ మీకు కాన్సెప్ట్?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇట్ సార్. విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ 2 or 3 minutes.
ఓకే సార్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ vendor down payment. Before that, how to agreement is there. Vendor to our company's PO. PO raised that they have to terms and conditions. Vendor mention advance. After that, they have to first of all raise the advance request. That is the noted item denoted by F. So same simultaneously have to after that cancellation the entry after that. So how to special GL entry pass the entry, that is the vendor down payment.
Okay.
Denoted by A. That is 30 or 29 A. That is the down payment. And also how to the to have the vendor lagi have to creation to every vendor have to maintain the reconciliation account. Why? Because reconciliation account simply say top level management how much amount vendor that is the how much amount payable to credit amount. That is simply say one ledger maintain the reconciliation account. That's why how to maintain every vendor also maintain the reconciliation account, and debtors also maintain the separate reconciliation account. Why? Because I have to simply say one reconciliation mention is total vendor amount showing to one amount, single click.
Yes.
In my knowledge, that's why I have to maintain the reconciliation account.
Good.
Correct or not, I don't know.
Yes, sir. Correct. It's 100% correct.
That's the remaining also.
Then,
that's the enough, sir.
Then,
enough,
sir,
sir.
Remaining steps.
Enough, sir.
Reconciliation account is mandatory. I think everybody knows, right?
And one thing, every ledger have to create to open item management line item is compulsory. But when you open item management mentioned, only balance sheet items only mentioned open item management. Remaining P&L account showing direct income, indirect income and indirect expenses not available in the open item management. Is correct, sir? At the ledger creation time.
Then?
I mean, which item have to show in the balance sheet item that compulsory mentioned tick mark of the open item management. Rest of the items mean showing the P&L account, that is P&L account showing direct expense, indirect income. That time not available in the open item management, not accepted at the time of ledger creation time.
Okay. Then these steps, sir. Hello?
Yes, account checking.
These steps, so GL creation, OBYR, and payment, down payment request. Okay, you will get, you have understand,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, anything else remaining? So tomorrow I'll done my system this process, enter this process, and we'll go for further concepts. Okay, I'll close the section. Thank you, everyone. Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. I
Uh,
will
uh, uh,